Hi, my name is Debbie, and I've been a member of Curves since 2011, which has been 14 years. And I first came to Curves because I used to do other exercises, but I have been informed that strength training over 50 is the best thing you can do for your body. So I came to join to see how I liked it, loved it. Since I've been at Curves, I've had to have 2 knee replacements, and I was physically fit, in good condition, and it helped with the recovery because I bounced right back, no downtime. My health really experienced great results with numbers, and my weight has really stayed on target being at Curves. And I love Curves because of the camaraderie, the friendships you build over the years being here, and the surprise is I didn't expect it. And you feel loved and welcome, and we have a sisterhood that is strong, and we show love every day that we show up. I love the new look at Curves. It is awesome. It is refreshing, and I just love being here because it gives me energy, and I just get excited coming here because of all the beautiful colors, and purple is one of my favorite colors. If anyone asks me about Curves, I'd say come try it. Best 30 minutes you've ever worked out doing.